Hello everybody. Well, it's getting that time of year again, and it has been getting colder, and right now it is 32 according to the car here. I don't know if you can see that. 32 degrees Fahrenheit. That's 0 C for you guys that do the metric system. And it's quarter till 12. I don't think it's going to get any warmer today. It was down to like 20 degrees earlier, but I don't know how low it got last night. I'm sure it was in the mid-teens. But anyway, yeah, I'm doing this video in the car because it is cold out there. The wind is blowing, the wind chill is crazy, and my face got numb in just a few minutes. My hands got numb trying to hold the camera in just a few minutes. So I decided I'm just going to do the video in the car. I couldn't even get my thoughts straight out there. It was that cold with the wind. But well, I did my first flight just now, and my face is freezing, but my hands are not. And I'm going to get out of the car and let my face and my hands freeze again, just so I can show you why my hands did not get frozen while I was flying. I have to come back here and show you. Alright. I picked up one of these. It's a transmitter mitt, the Drelex. I guess that's how you say it, J-R-E-L-E-C-S. And it fits my X9D just fine, and I have plenty of room in here for my hands. I can get to all the switches, everything. I don't have to, worry about it. My thumbs are right here. And even though this is touching my thumbs, I really don't notice it. But I am going to have to figure out how to get a neck strap on that, or neck strap attached to this somehow. But it goes in the top, and there's, some flaps there. You just fold them over and Velcro them, and you just put your transmitter, have your transmitter in there. But I did some modifications to this to test out, because I have to use these big old goggles, and I can't put them on with one hand. So I have to either let my transmitter hang off my neck strap, which I don't have one right now, or let it sit on my lap. And since I had to let it sit on my lap, I put these foams in here, foam pads, and I just tacked them on. I didn't stitch them all the way on because I was just testing this. Just tacked them on with some nylon pads, and on either side, just 3 spots. And I put one in the middle here to hold this up, and one on the other side to hold that side up. And this way, when I set this, I can set this on my lap when I sit down, and I can put my goggles on, and then I can pick this up, or just slip my hands in here. I can just slip my hands in here like this, and I'm ready to go. But yeah, I've already tried it once, and it worked out really well with this opening. But with this opening, with your jacket sleeve, you're not even going to really notice any wind unless the wind's coming right in that direction. But I'm sitting sideways to the wind anyway today. But yeah, this is working out really well. It kept my hands warm for the whole flight, about 4 minutes, and yeah, I'm really liking this thing. But anyway, I'm going to finish doing the modifications to it, and once I get all the mods done to it, I'll show you guys what I've done. But right now, this is just a theory, just a test to see what's going to happen, and it worked out really well, just slipping my hands in there with, blind. So that's why my hands are not freezing. But my face is freezing, and my hands are getting cold just now doing this video out here. So I am getting back in the car so I can thaw out. So anyway, guys, wow, that wind. Whew. My nose is numb, my ears are numb already. My hands, my fingers are numb. They're starting to shrivel. Look at this. Look at the hand, the wrinkles on my hand from the cold. That's crazy. I mean, that's nuts. But anyway, stubborn me, I'm still out here trying to fly. You got a passion. You just can't live without it. So anytime it's suitable for me to get out here, as long as it's not soaking wet and raining and snowing, I mean, I'll be out here flying. So anyway, guys, here's a flight video. I'm sorry I took so long to get to this, but here's a flight video for today, and you can see how it's going. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell, like, dislike, comment if you want, and we will catch you on the next one, and enjoy this flight video. Ugh.